Hello everyone, I'm Tian Yuan. Today I'm sharing a recipe for steamed sticky rice pork ribs. First, choose long strips of pork ribs, as they will look more visually appealing when cooked. After cleaning the ribs thoroughly, add a suitable amount of starch and massage them with your hands to remove excess blood and impurities. Next, pour in clean water and soak for 20 minutes to allow more blood to release thoroughly. After soaking, rinse the ribs well and drain them completely. Place them in a bowl, ready for seasoning. All the seasoning ingredients are listed on the screen. It's best to follow my measurements, as the right balance of flavors is crucial. Too little seasoning may result in a dish that lacks taste. Let the ribs marinate for an hour to absorb the flavors. Now prepare the glutinous rice. For a pressure cooker, it's best to use round glutinous rice, as it has a chewier texture. Soak the rice for about 30 minutes to allow the grains to absorb more moisture, ensuring that the final dish won't be too dry. Next, you'll need banana leaves, which can usually be found in the frozen section of Asian supermarkets. Before using the banana leaves, it's best to wash them thoroughly. Now, drain the soaked glutinous rice to remove excess water. At this point, the ribs are marinated, the rice is soaked, and the banana leaves are ready, so we can move on to the next step. First, remove the ribs from the marinade, as there will still be a lot of seasoning liquid left in the bowl. We'll use this liquid to mix with the glutinous rice, essentially seasoning the rice to enhance its flavor. In the pressure cooker, pour some water into the bottom and place a steaming rack inside. Make sure the water level does not go above the rack. For this dish, I've wrapped each glutinous rice pork rib individually. The wrapping method is very simple and self-explanatory, so there's no need for extra explanation. Pressure cook for 25 minutes. The banana leaves release a unique aroma, and combined with the glutinous rice, it gives you a flavor similar to savory zongzi, but much easier to make since there's no intricate wrapping involved. Perhaps this could be your alternative to traditional zongzi for the Dragon Boat Festival. It holds its shape well and won't fall apart. Each individually wrapped portion stays intact, and the glutinous rice remains distinct yet soft. If you prefer a firmer texture, you can skip the soaking step. Meanwhile, the pork ribs become tender and fall off the bone after 25 minutes of pressure cooking. You give it a try too. We'll see you next time.